I've had a request from a subscriber for a tutorial on how I play Twa Corbies, and in particular how I marry up playing the melody and accompaniment. As with all my tutorials, let me first explain the way I personally finger pick my songs on a 6-string instrument. I use my thumb to play any of the 3 bass strings, holding down the A minor position at the moment. I will get the 4th string, or the 5th string, or the 6th string using my thumb. My index finger only ever plays the 3rd string. My middle finger only ever plays the 2nd string, and my ring finger only ever plays the 1st string. And quite often the fill-ins that I do between the melody lines will simply be thumb, index, middle, ring, thumb, index, middle, ring. Occasionally it may be only the thumb and the index. Thumb, index, thumb, index. Okay. Picking out the melody. It starts on A, which is the 5th string open. Now notice I've taken my fingers off the chord shape altogether for the moment, because I'm going to use my left hand to hold down strings in the correct position for the melody, but not necessarily in the correct position for the chord shape that I'm really using. So the melody goes that's open 5th, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, 2nd fret, open, open 6th. Was it? Let me just check that. Sorry, I was wrong. It's open, open, 2, 3, 2, open, 6th at the 3rd fret, 5th open. So that's and then that gets repeated again for the 2nd line. Now the 3rd line, we're moving on to the 4th string, and it's a very similar pattern. Just slightly different at the end. That's the 4th string, open, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, 2nd fret, open, 5th string, 3rd fret, no, 4th string at the 2nd fret and then open. Let's do that again. Again, open on the 4th for the first 2, then 2nd fret, 3rd fret, 2nd fret, open, 5th string, 3rd fret, 4th string, 2nd fret, then open. And for the last line, we're back to the same as the first, nearly. With the addition of the 6th string open. And then first line. Let's do the whole thing slowly, right the way through. Picking out the melody. Now, how do I marry that in with the fill-ins? Well, I still pick the melody out the same way, but as I get to the end of each phrase, I then go to the chord shape, either A minor or D minor, depending where it is, and play one of those fills I described earlier. So it starts off, as I was walking all alone, I saw 3 Corbies. No, try that bit again. As I was walking all alone, I saw Twa Corbies macking me. And one unto the other did say, oh, where will we gang and dine the day, oh, where will we gang and dine the day. 1, 2, 3, 4. As I was walking all alone, I heard Twa Corbies macking me, and one unto the other did say, oh, where will we gang and dine the day, oh, where will we gang and dine the day. At the end of each melody line, for example, the first and second lines are, that last note is the first note of the fill, and that's the point at which you go back to the chord shape, in this case A minor, to do the fill. And remembering this is the last note of the melody, and the fill is thumb, index, middle, ring, and thumb, index, thumb. I hope that has been of some assistance. Let's just see what it sounds, the first verse all the way through sounds like, with melody, line and accompaniment going together. Notes start off with the fills. As I was walking all alone, I heard Twa Corbies macking me, and one unto the other did say, oh, Where will we gang and dine the day, oh? Where will we gang and dine the day? And again, as I was walking all alone, I heard Twa Corbies mac and main, and one unto the other did say, oh, where will we gang and dine the day, oh? Where will we gang and dine the day? It doesn't really matter too much if you don't get the fill starting on the right note, or you don't play it the same length each time. Try and keep in time with the rhythm of the song, but sometimes it varies a little bit. And also sometimes you might have noticed that I maybe put an extra little note in with the index finger in the melody line. No, not really, in the fill line. No, it is in the melody line. I hope that has been of some help to you. Thanks for listening. Bye now.